Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick little video today to help me pack the Patreon mail. So I've already packed up 2 of the envelopes going out and you can help me pack this one. So this is the envelope for this month. Each of them are done in the same design, same stencil, and I've used 3 different colours. So there's yellow, purple and green, just for a lovely, bright, happy, fresh looking envelope. So into this envelope this month, I haven't done the back. I've left it white and it will have some faux washi decoration. Oh, this one seems to be a little bit stuck. Prise it open. Good thing I typically seal them with washi tape as well as the adhesive strip, so they will be nice and secure. So first up we have 2 pages from the French dictionary that I picked up. Now they're 2 double pages, so both halves there left intact, so you can use them, as journal pages, or you can cut them up, tear them up, whatever. So that's the first thing going in July's Patreon mail. Next we have some of these duplicate forms. So there's the copy, the original, and then the carbon copy. So there's 2 of each of those in there for you to play with. It's fun playing with forms, and I do have a project in mind with these which I haven't done yet, so maybe sometime soon I'll tackle that. Right, so that's in there. Then we have a piece of this beautiful paper from Miyu. Just gorgeous, with these lovely birds, slightly Christmassy, with there's some like mistletoe and holly leaves and things, but you could easily use it at any other time of the year. Now unfortunately I am having to crease it to make sure it fits inside the envelope. Okay, then we have 2 mini dictionary pages, this time in English. Again, it's the double page, so not big enough for a signature page unless you're making a mini journal, but just fun little text to collage with, or whatever you like. We have, actually I've kind of stuffed things in here and I need to take it out so that I can go through it. So each one is getting a paper bag made from a calendar page. So they're all different, all feature white flowers of some description. And inside this, I've got a packet of 11 hand-stamped labels from a couple of different digital papers that I had. There's a couple of collector's cards from Sanitarium Cereal, 2 different topics. Again, each person is getting different ones. This is a playing card from the recent game I picked up called Quiddler. So each one's getting a card from that. A canasta score sheet, beautiful aged paper. Each person's getting one of those. Very precious those are. This kind of instruction manual, or whatever you want to call it, I have done a project with these. This is in Trashcraft Tuesday, so you're each getting one of those to play around with, maybe do the project that I do on Tuesday. A set of 3 splatter ink papers, not papers, sticker labels going in there. You might recognize these. These are from my printables for this month, the ones that I've released so far. I'm still working on the second half. So 2 strips of those, but they are printed on sticker paper. So just cut them apart and peel off the sticker and use it on whatever. So there's 2 strips of those for 8 different designs. And then a paper serviette, so each person is getting one of those. It's a very summery image, this. So that's all getting popped into that paper bag. And I haven't embellished this at all. I've just left it blank. Here, I can't even talk. So that the recipient can use it however they wish. They will fit on a typical journal page, or at least my size typical journal page, which is A4 folded in half, which means A5. So it will fit on a journal page. Each one is getting one of these beautiful children's book illustrations from the Asian book that I picked up, and I've done a project with those as well. So you're getting one to use. You can choose which side you want to use. One of these is going in each too. This is an image I printed out, and it was left over from a design team project that I did, and the artist is Connie Fong, and her name's down alongside of this dress. I printed out 4 copies so I could play around, and I ended up only using 1. So I thought, well, I'll include these. You can colour them, you can just fussy cut around them. The only thing with these is they are copyrighted to Connie Fong, so you can't scan it or do anything. You'll just have to, I mean, you could just turn it into a journal card just like that. So no copying of it, please. Don't want to get in trouble with the artist. A large doily here is going in each. Red with white dots. Really cool. And again, it's too large to not fold, so I've had to fold it into quarters to get it in there. Then I've made each person a little mini mark making book. So out of these instruction manuals that I've been working in recently, each page is a different colour and a different pattern. So you're getting one of those to tear up and use. And I've written a note on the front of each to each person. Whoops, I don't want that showing through the envelope, so I'm just going to turn it over. Because otherwise people can read through the envelope, the message. And then each person is getting a personal note. I haven't actually written on this one yet, so I must do that before I seal up the envelope. Made from these children's book images, and that's their personal note. And that is the mail for July 2024. I hope you enjoyed having a wee peek and helping me pack this today. These will be sent out tomorrow to the 3 mail tier patrons that I have. And if you'd like to join my mail tier, I would love to have you on board. So signing up between, essentially now, so somewhere between the 20th of July probably and we'll say the 10th of August will get you into the August Happy Mail send out, which is my visionary tier. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Whatever you're up to, may it be a creative day for you. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.